This is what 2 tablespoons of castor oil a day does to your body after 50. What if I told you that a simple kitchen ingredient could be the key to unlocking better health, smoother skin, and pain-free joints after 50? It's not a miracle drug, it's castor oil. But what really happens when you start taking 2 tablespoons of this age-old remedy every single day? Stay tuned because the results might just shock you. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Premium Health Harbor, your trusted source for the latest in health and wellness, especially for those looking to maintain peak vitality as they age. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. And if you're already part of our community, welcome back. We're thrilled to have you here. Now let's delve into our main content, the 8 most valuable benefits of castor oil after 50. So, what is castor oil and why are so many people talking about it? Are you curious about the health benefits of castor oil? Well, this thick, pale yellow oil is derived from the seeds of the castor plant, scientifically known as Ricinus communis. While it's been used for centuries for various medicinal purposes, in recent years castor oil has gained popularity as a natural remedy for a variety of health issues, especially for those over 50. But what exactly happens when you take 2 tablespoons of this oil every day? Number 1. Digestive health and regularity. First up, let's talk about one of the most immediate effects of castor oil: improved digestion. For individuals over 50, maintaining digestive health and regularity becomes increasingly important as the digestive system often slows down with age, leading to issues like constipation and bloating. Castor oil can be particularly beneficial in this regard due to its natural laxative properties, which are primarily attributed to its high concentration of ricinoleic acid. When ingested, castor oil stimulates the muscles in the intestines, helping to move waste through the digestive tract more efficiently. Taking 2 tablespoons of castor oil daily can work wonders by stimulating the bowels, helping you maintain regularity and feel lighter and more energized. Number 2. Natural anti-inflammatory. Castor oil isn't just good for your digestion, it's also a powerful anti-inflammatory agent. As we age, inflammation can become a more persistent issue, leading to chronic conditions such as arthritis, joint pain, and muscle stiffness. Castor oil offers significant benefits in this area due to its high content of ricinoleic acid, a potent anti-inflammatory compound. When consumed regularly, castor oil helps reduce inflammation throughout the body by inhibiting the production of certain proteins that promote inflammation. This can lead to noticeable relief from joint pain and stiffness, improving overall mobility and comfort. For those over 50, incorporating castor oil into their daily routine can be an effective way to manage and mitigate the symptoms of inflammation, allowing for a more active and pain-free lifestyle. Number 3. Boosts immune function. Your immune system plays a critical role in keeping you healthy. Especially as we age, our immune system can weaken, making us more susceptible to infections and illnesses. Taking 2 tablespoons of castor oil daily can help bolster immune function, particularly in individuals over 50. Castor oil is known to enhance lymphatic circulation, which plays a crucial role in the body's immune response. The lymphatic system is responsible for transporting immune cells throughout the body, helping to identify and eliminate harmful pathogens. By improving the flow of lymph, castor oil supports the body's natural defense mechanisms, enabling it to fight off infections more effectively. Regular consumption can therefore help strengthen the immune system, keeping you healthier and more resilient as you age. Number 4. Enhanced skin health and anti-aging. Who wouldn't want younger-looking skin? But aging often brings visible changes to the skin, such as dryness, wrinkles, and age spots. Castor oil can be a powerful ally in combating these signs of aging, especially for those over 50. Rich in fatty acids, particularly ricinoleic acid, castor oil deeply moisturizes the skin, helping to maintain hydration and elasticity. Its antioxidant properties protect the skin from free radical damage, which is a major contributor to premature aging. Regular consumption of castor oil can promote smoother, more youthful skin by reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, while also evening out skin tone. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory effects can soothe irritated skin, making it an excellent natural remedy for maintaining a healthy, vibrant complexion as you age. Number 5. Healthier and shinier hair. Struggling with thinning or dry hair? Well, as we age, hair often becomes thinner, drier, and more prone to breakage. Castor oil can help address these issues, making it a valuable addition to the daily routine of individuals over 50. Rich in nutrients like vitamin E, omega-6 fatty acids, and proteins, castor oil nourishes the scalp and strengthens hair from the roots. When taken internally, its moisturizing properties promote healthier hair growth by improving circulation to the scalp and providing essential nutrients that support hair health. This can lead to thicker, shinier, and more resilient hair over time. Additionally, castor oil's anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties can help reduce scalp conditions like dandruff, further enhancing the overall health and appearance of your hair. By taking 2 tablespoons a day, many people report not only stronger, healthier hair, but also an increase in hair growth. It's like a natural hair booster straight from your kitchen. Number 6. Better joint mobility. Joint pain is a common complaint as we age, but castor oil can help here too. Joint stiffness and discomfort are common issues that tend to increase with age, often limiting mobility and affecting the quality of life. Castor oil, with its potent anti-inflammatory properties, can be particularly beneficial for improving joint mobility in individuals over 50. The ricinoleic acid in castor oil helps reduce inflammation in the joints, easing pain and stiffness. Regular consumption of 2 tablespoons of castor oil can contribute to better lubrication of the joints, which is essential for smooth and flexible movement. This can make everyday activities like walking, bending, and stretching more comfortable, allowing for greater freedom of movement and a more active lifestyle. For those dealing with conditions like arthritis, castor oil can be a natural way to support joint health and maintain mobility as they age. The anti-inflammatory properties we mentioned earlier don't just work on a general level. They're particularly effective at reducing joint stiffness and pain. This could mean more freedom of movement and less discomfort in your daily life. Number 7. Detoxification and liver support. Your liver works hard to detoxify your body. As we age, our body's natural detoxification processes can slow down, making it harder to eliminate toxins efficiently. The liver, which plays a central role in detoxifying the body, can benefit significantly from the regular intake of castor oil. Castor oil helps enhance liver function by promoting the healthy flow of bile, a substance the liver produces to aid in digestion and the removal of toxins. By supporting bile production and flow, castor oil aids in the detoxification process, helping the body to more effectively cleanse itself of harmful substances. For individuals over 50, this can result in improved energy levels, better digestion, and overall enhanced well-being. Regular consumption of castor oil can therefore be a gentle and natural way to support liver health and maintain the body's detoxification processes as you age. Finally, number 8. Potential weight management aid. Castor oil may even play a role in weight management. Maintaining a healthy weight becomes increasingly challenging as metabolism tends to slow down with age. Castor oil can potentially aid in weight management for individuals over 50 by improving digestive efficiency and supporting detoxification. Its natural laxative properties help regulate bowel movements, reducing bloating and promoting a feeling of lightness. Additionally, by enhancing liver function and detoxification, castor oil may improve the body's ability to metabolize fats and eliminate waste more effectively. While it's not a magic solution for weight loss, incorporating 2 tablespoons of castor oil into your daily routine can support overall metabolic health, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight when combined with a balanced diet and regular physical activity. Moving on to our next segment, tips and techniques for using castor oil. Now that you know the benefits, let's talk about the best ways to incorporate castor oil into your daily routine. Tip 1. For internal use, start with a smaller dose, like 1 teaspoon, and gradually work your way up to 2 tablespoons. This helps your body adjust and minimizes the risk of digestive discomfort. Tip 2. To improve the taste, try mixing castor oil with a bit of fresh juice or blending it into a smoothie. This can make it more palatable and easier to consume daily. Tip 3. Remember, consistency is key. Try taking your castor oil at the same time each day. Morning is ideal for most people. Tip 4. For topical benefits like skin and hair care, you can apply castor oil directly. Massage it into your scalp for hair health, or mix it with your favorite moisturizer for enhanced skin hydration. Safety precautions. While castor oil offers many benefits, it's crucial to follow some safety precautions. Precaution 1. Always consult your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions or are taking medications. Castor oil can interact with certain drugs, so it's best to get professional advice. Precaution 2. Do not exceed the recommended dose. Too much castor oil can lead to digestive issues, including cramping, diarrhea, and nausea. Precaution 3. Pregnant or breastfeeding. Women should avoid using castor oil internally unless advised by a healthcare professional, as it can induce labor. Precaution 4. Test a small amount of castor oil on your skin before using it topically, especially if you have sensitive skin. This helps you avoid any potential allergic reactions. And there you have it, 8 incredible benefits of taking 2 tablespoons of castor oil every day after 50, plus some handy tips and safety precautions to ensure you get the most out of this natural remedy. Remember, everyone's body is different, so it's essential to monitor how you feel and consult a healthcare professional if you're unsure. Now, here's a question for you. Do you think the benefits of castor oil outweigh the potential risks? Have you tried it yourself, or are you considering it after watching this video? Share your experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to let us know where you're watching from. Our community spans the globe, and we're all on this journey to better health together. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Premium Health Harbor for more tips on how to live your healthiest life at any age.